Today I'm taking a look at the Fume Extractor. Looks like it comes with 3 filters, and we got one already installed. So there we go. So it actually comes with a total of 4 filters. There's a nice big fan on the back. It's an all-metal case, and it's got a little carry handle on top. So the color is a little darker than that. It looks probably close to that. So the on-off switch is on the cord, and it looks like it's got about a 4-foot cord on it. Okay, so that's pushing quite a bit of air. And if we throw some smoke at it, yeah, you can see it pulling it all the way in, even all the way from over here. Yeah, that is excellent. So that has quite a bit of reach on it, which is something that's very important, especially if you don't want to be working right next to it. Cool. So that is a pretty awesome fume extractor.